For decades, streaks of white clouds have crisscrossed our skies, left behind by high-altitude airplanes. While mainstream science refers to these as contrails, formed when water vapor condenses and freezes around jet exhaust particles, many believe there's more to the story. Enter the chemtrail conspiracy. Could it be that our skies are being intentionally polluted for purposes we don't fully understand? Proponents of the chemtrail theory argue that these trails often linger far longer than normal contrails and sometimes spread out, forming thin veils over the sky. They cite official government programs, like Operation Popeye, a weather modification effort during the Vietnam War, as evidence that manipulating the atmosphere is not only possible, but has been done before. One commonly mentioned concern involves the presence of chemicals such as barium, aluminum, and strontium in environmental samples. A 2014 study by researchers at the University of California found that airborne particulates, especially aluminum, were higher in areas of dense air traffic, raising questions about their origin. Skeptics say these chemicals could come from industrial pollution, but chemtrail believers claim their distribution is too widespread and suspiciously uniform. Theories about why chemtrails exist vary. Some believe they're a form of geoengineering to combat climate change by reflecting sunlight back into space. Others suggest a more sinister purpose: mass population control through chemical exposure or even deliberate poisoning. A 2001 patent for stratospheric Welsbach seeding for reduction of global warming outlines a process eerily similar to what chemtrail theorists describe. While this patent was never implemented officially, it shows that such ideas exist within the scientific community. Of course, authorities and scientists refute these claims, asserting there is no evidence of intentional chemical spraying. Yet, whistleblowers like former military personnel have claimed otherwise, alleging covert operations that involve modifying the weather or even dispersing biological agents. The question remains, if chemtrails are just harmless contrails, why the secrecy and dismissal? Why are independent researchers often ridiculed rather than engaged in open dialogue? The truth might be hidden in plain sight or high above us. For more deep dives into the world of conspiracy theories, follow us. Let's uncover the truths they don't want you to know.